Salvador. Selamat bertemu dengan saya di Petra Kola ya. Oke, kali ini saya lagi berbincang-bincang dengan anak murid saya ya. Kebetulan dia berasal dari dari mana?
Afrika Selatan.
Afrika Selatan, tepatnya
Johannesburg.
Johannesburg. Oke, I would buy nominate. Oh, sekarang saya nggak bisa bahasa Inggris ya. Jadi untuk itu karena awak tak pandai bahasa Inggris, nah kini awak kebatanya ke belajar bahasa Inggris kan. Namanya siapa?
My name is Jennifer Chika. I'm from South Africa. No, it's actually that mix. My father from South Africa and my mother from here, Indonesia. I do not know where I met people, but yeah.
Oh, mau saya tidak mengerti itu ya. Jadi karena saya tidak mengerti ya. Jadi saya ingin belajar bahasa Inggris ya. Dan English belajar bahasa Inggris. Dari Minang belajar bahasa Inggris. Contohnya kalau kelapa bahasa Inggrisnya apa itu?
Coconut.
Coconut. Jadi kerambi bahasa Inggrisnya coconut di sana ya. Kalau kerambi cuki ya?
Kerambi cuki ya? Kerambi cuki apa itu, Pak?
Kerambi cuki itu sama dengan kelapa congkel.
Hah?
Kelapa yang dicongkel itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya?
Kelapa yang dicongkel? Okay, let me think. Fruit coconut. What's like coconut? Fruit coconut.
Kru coconut katanya.
No.
Bukan ya?
Yeah, that's true. Just make it true, guys.
Oke. Jadi awak tidak pandai bahasa Inggris ya di sana, makanya ingin belajar bahasa Inggris kayaknya. Kau nak murid awak apa? Oh, di Indonesia udah berapa lama?
It's been a long time I'm in Indonesia. I mean, I was born here. I was born in Indonesia.
Mengeceknya agak keras sedikit.
Okay. It's been a long time.
Oh, yeah.
I live in Indonesia.
Yes.
I mean, I was born here. I was born in Indonesia because my mother is Indonesian, and then I live in Jakarta.
Jawa.
Yeah, and then I spending my school time. During now, until now, I already started high school. I still in Indonesia. Maybe then when I college, when I got university, then I will go to my country.
Oke, thank you. Jadi keceknya tidak mengerti tidak dulu sana awak yo saja kan. Karena ingin belajar bahasa Inggris. Ya. Ngerti nggak ngomong Bapak bahasa Minang?
Not at all.
No.
Not at all.
Minang itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa sih?
Minang.
Oh, Sumatera Barat. West Sumatera ya.
West Sumatra. That's true. West Sumatra. Oh.
Oke, tadi udah kerambi cuki ya udah. Nah, sekarang kalau bau tahu nggak?
Bawa.
Bau
Apa
itu
Kak?
istilah monyet.
Monkey.
Oh, monkey,
Monkey eating
ya.
banana. Monkey like banana.
Monkey like banana artinya baru makan pisang. Ya.
Baru makan pisang.
Siap.
I mean, all monkey in this world, no, they just only love one food. But for me, no. People just are just like that. But for me, monkey is loved more than banana. I mean,
Okay.
they not only eating banana.
Okej, och för så vad det syns för vad det sih boleh skop apa dia terus the home finish itu
Bapak ngomong apa, Bapak?
enggak tahu.
Bapak ngomong apa?
Enggak tahu, saya tidak bisa bahasa Inggris, saya sembarang sabu saja.
Bahasa berbeda.
Sembarang sabu itu artinya sembarang ngomong gitu. Iya. Jadi kamu bahasa Indonesia bisa juga?
Indonesia bisa.
Oh ya. Jadi kamu besarnya di Indonesia atau di
I grow in Indonesia.
di Indonesia? Mamanya?
Indonesia.
Jadi mandinya orang Indonesia. Indonesianya di mana?
Worjo.
Purworejo. Jadi kalau yang Bapak?
Papa Afrika Selatan, South Africa, from Johannesburg.
Oh, Johannesburg, Afrika Selatan ya. Oh, jadi di sana apanya orang Purworejo, ibunya orang Purworejo, apanya orang Johannesburg,
South Africa.
Afrika Selatan ya. South Africa. Oke, kita ngomong-ngomong apa lagi ya Jennifer?
I'm really embarrassing now. I never liked this before, but it's so fun. It's really fun that I love. I can talk with my own teacher. We can get like more close. I love it.
Betul, kalau bahasa Inggrisnya awak ingin ke pasar membeli kerambi agak buah sudah tua bawa pulang apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Saya mau ke pasar membeli kelapa 2 biji saya bawa pulang, bahasa Inggrisnya apa nih?
I want to go to traditional market. I want to buy coconut and then I grab it home.
Jadi itu bahasa Inggrisnya di sana awak bawa kerambi 2 buah bawa pasar ada 2 bawa pulang itu bahasa Inggrisnya. Abang udah pandai bahasa Inggris di sana karena asalah guru dulu guru maja banyak teori. Iko lah present continuous iko semacam jadi dah ngerti ya. Jadi kok pandai bahasa Inggris dulu karena Kalau seandainya guru bahasa Inggris dulu majan, awak pergi ke pasar. Bahasa Inggrisnya, saya pergi ke pasar apa?
I won't go to market.
Ah.
I won't go to traditional market.
Saya naik angkot.
I go with angkot. Yeah.
Angkot kan bahasa Indonesia.
Saya apa?
Like a bus, like a little bus. Angkot.
Angkot. Angkot is in Indonesia apa?
Angkot itu angkot sama aja.
Angkot,
Sama aja kan itu angkot.
sama ya. Oke. Misalnya awak
Or go with angkot.
awak pergi ke pasar, sudah itu awak membeli gorengan sampai buah bahasa Inggris apa? Saya pergi ke pasar itu saya beli gorengan 4 biji.
Gorengan.
Gorengan.
Gorengan. I go to traditional market and then I buy like 4 each, 4 piece, and then I go it home.
Itu namanya iyo payah bahasa Inggris lah. Awak tidak pandai ya, pokoknya nak belajar ya. Kebetulannya dia orang luar negeri mah. Tapi orang negara ini biasanya putih-putih, itu nggak kendang wajahnya sana.
Basis.
No.
Nggak wajahnya agak putih.
Yeah.
Oke, terus apa lagi kita mau belajar bahasa Inggris ya? Misalnya sekarang lagi ada kegiatan di sekolah bersih-bersih. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Now we are doing like a cleaning activity in our school because like next week, Monday and Tuesday, from the government will come here. They want to get a result from our school, so we have to keep our school clean
Oh,
and
jadi.
perfect. It's gonna be good.
Oke. I would buy artinya apa? I would buy nomini. Itu apa sih artinya?
I would I do not know. No,
Oh iya, soalnya pernah dengar itu I would buy nomini. Oke, Jennifer baru di SMA 114. Kemudian apa kesan-kesannya di 114 ini?
Okay, this is like some interesting question. I love that. The first time I got here, the first time I came here, I feel like a strange person, because I never go to place like this before, the school with the crowd field and outside. But when I go inside, the school is really good. The school is perfect. They have like a perfect rule. I know the building is not too big, but we can study well, And all the teacher is so kind. All the teacher is really kind. They are friendly with the with the students too. I love the way they are teaching us. And then during in 114 senior high school, I got a lot of friends. I mean, the friends here is never said me like they never want to choosing friends from their level perception. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can be their friend, whatever you be. You are rich or you are poor or you don't have something, they will become your friend. Like they never want to choosing friends with lack of perception. And then 114 senior high school is such a good place for me. It already being my second home.
Yes.
And then I feel like I want to be here.
Oh
I
yeah.
know high school.
Yes, I understand. Saya tidak mengerti apa yang dikecilkan. Tapi mungkin menurut kesimpulannya kamu senang di sini ya?
Yeah, I love,
Okay,
and I'm so
love.
glad to be here. I love to feel from the school. You have to visit the school.
Oh,
You have to visit the school
apalah,
to
ini udah tahu
recommend
dok.
us.
I'm very happy, I am happy ya. Tumong about
So
you.
good.
Oke,
So
ada mana? Jadi udah untuk sementara betul lah ngecek sedikit awak Jo Jennifer ya. Dan silakan like dan subscribe channel dari Opetra Kolak ya. Bahasa Inggrisnya silakan like dan subscribe channel Opetra Kolak.
Okay guys, thanks a lot to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. That's free, no?
Opetra
No
Kolak.
payment. Just subscribe and like.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. I love you all.
I love you, Mama.